how to unlock your iPhone with your voice. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to settings. In settings, scroll down and go to accessibility. Here in accessibility and physical and motor section, okay, go to voice control. Okay, you can tap this. Here in voice control, okay, make sure the voice control is on. Okay, you'll have to switch on the switch button on the right side. And after that, tap the commands. Okay, tap the commands and the custom button here. Here in command, okay, create new commands. Okay, you can tap the create new commands and enter a speakable phrase. And after that, tap the action button and tap the run custom gesture. Now you can create the new gestures. Okay. And after that, tap the save button on the upper right side on your screen to save this action. Go back and tap the save button on the new command. And now we have successfully created the voice command. And okay guys, we can try it. If you close the iPhone and said open, okay, the command or your phone is automatically open. Okay, open. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully unlocked your iPhone with your voice. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.